That's an ollie level.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ollie, but from now on, I think I'm going to call slightly off level an ollie level. Right, guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Let's move the combine out of the combine shed into the other shed. Ray's just moved the bed. We've got Don from APH. He's given the combine its annual appraisal, plus we need to get in here to this shed to do a little job with Ray. Yeah, it's APH. We have them out every year to give the combine a bit of a look over.
Yesterday was quite bad, and I was glad you actually moved them in there.
Yeah, I moved them across because of the bonfire.
Yeah.
The next door farmer would have smoked the sheep out.
Hello, you're right. Yeah. He's not had his lunch yet.
He's not had his lunch yet, no. You check the sheep with mummy then? High five. Yeah. Getting some hay for Haley's horses. I did promise I'd get her a bale today. Just a quick one for any of you guys running these JCBs. Have you ever had the computer screen flicker? I was looking at it the other day, a couple of days ago, and the screen was flickering like an old television, old terrestrial television. You know how it would just flicker every now and then because there'd be like a loose connection on the aerial. It was a bit like that. I don't know if it's just me, and I don't know if it's on its way out or not. I just thought I'd ask if anybody else with these JCBs has ever had the same thing. The screen was just sort of flickering a little bit. So yeah, let me know if you've had that issue and if there's anything to be worried about. Well, here comes the team. We've got Haley's mare, Cobb, and Kitty, the little miniature Shetland. And you're very friendly, aren't you? Yes, we like Kitty. We like Kitty. Holly, the Cobb, she is a moody mare. And this is Queenie. She's the last of my original flock. She's a Suffolk mule and she lives with the horses. I wanted to put her in with the other sheep, but honestly, her and the horses, they're inseparable. Right, team, enjoy the hay. That's some good quality Nick's Farm meadow hay. Right, so yeah, we're gonna have a look at extending these beams on either side of the doorway up a bit higher with some angle iron so we can get the rolling door fitted on. Do you want going up there then? Have a little look.
Well, I want to show Ray my idea, see if he agrees with it.
Yeah, it's a good idea, I think.
I think it'll work, so we've got to extend those if we can. Might want to go to both sides, but if we go to that side first. Hold the seat down for you.
Have you, thank you.
Plenty of height, you can probably get those eyes out. So those outlines are all cut right, aren't they?
Yeah.
What do you think? Even one of those Right, if it's in the right place, would have done.
Yeah.
If you knew where the holes were for there.
We knew that's right.
But I thought, as soon as we got them, put 2 up, you can't be wrong.
Well, if you put one either side, you've got the strength, haven't you?
And there's not much, you've got to drill it anyway. I don't think you need any welding.
No welding.
The face plate, they can wash it.
So just the 2 angles, either side of the beam,
together.
sandwiched together to extend the beam up.
Yeah. I think that would do, and they came to fit the door, they could do it.
They could put it on that.
Yeah, I do. If they were coming today, and we had to rush and get that done, I reckon that will do them.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
They can't weld in the middle because they can't.
They can't bolt in the middle.
No.
Because the I-beam would have been there, wouldn't it?
Can't drill in the middle. Yeah, it's hot.
That's very simple then.
It is very simple.
Yeah. Right, got an errand to run in the electric car. I need to go and get some of these J-bolts. These are 150mm. We need some 120mm ready for the sheeting down the side of the combine shed, which is what we would have been doing today if we didn't have that issue with the height for the roller door. So Ray is drilling out those angle irons now, and I'm going to head down to the bolt place and yeah, get some J-bolts. I do love this electric car. It's nice to drive. I'll tell you what, you put your foot down, oh, she just flies along. It must seem like this job's been dragging on a fair bit, but to be fair, you know, we got busy with harvest and then we got busy with drilling. We made a nice start in the summer before harvest, getting the old sleepers down, getting the block wall done, getting the purlins up ready to be sheeted on the other side, and then we had the chaps come out to sheet it on the other side and on the roof. So yeah, we did a fair bit, and obviously yeah, we got busy with other stuff, and now we've dropped back onto the job. I mean, me and Dad looked at it a couple of weeks ago and we thought, yeah, there's not much to do here. Get the purlins up on the other side so we can get it sheeted and get the door on there and then sheeted around the door. But yeah, there's an extra job to do. It's just one of those things. These things always happen, don't they? There's always something to go wrong, but at least it's doable. At least we can get around it. But yeah, I do love this electric car. It really does fly along. Me and Dad took it up the A1 the other day, up to the Newark Showground for the Midland Machinery Show, and it didn't even know it was doing it. I tell you what, well, it says it can do 300 miles to a charge. I think it's more like 270, 280, but I still don't think that's bad. And it absolutely flies along. You put your foot down, it really wants to go. And I know it seems a bit of an odd choice for a farm vehicle, but to be honest, I am impressed. It is a really good bit of kit. But as far as farm vehicles go, keep your eyes peeled on the channel, because I've got something tucked away in one of the sheds, which you've probably seen in a previous video. Not running, but you probably have seen it in the background. But I've got something tucked away in one of the sheds that I'm going to be getting out this winter. Right, they didn't have any, so I've had to order some. They'll be here tomorrow apparently. And I think while I'm out, I'm going to, tell you what, I keep doing that. I don't need to put the keys in. It starts on a button. As long as the keys are in the car with me, we're good to go. But yeah, I'm not, still not used to that. It's because Dad's always driving this car. He hardly ever lets me ever go with it. But yeah, while I'm out, I'm going to go around the corner to the car place. Need some valve caps, some tyre valve caps.
You probably take a photograph. In fact, you could take a photograph and we could send it to multi-doors.
Yeah, take a photo and we've got them on.
Yeah, then they know what they're against, won't they?
That's it, yeah.
Do you trust me?
I think so, yeah.
We ain't got seatbelts in here. Yeah, that's me, that is.
Got the holes drilled, alright?
Yeah, I did, yeah. So I'm lucky because I put that in the voice like that.
Alright, yeah.
Then put it on and drill it.
Yeah, I got it, yeah.
So that's how it should be. Bolt together.
Yep.
Yeah, do you agree with that?
That's it, yeah. Oh, you done one at the top? Yeah.
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 You got it?
Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, drill one and put a bolt through it to keep it in place.
Keep it together, yeah, that makes sense. It makes sense to have 3 down the beam and then 1 at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, so the longer side's got to go up on this side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's pop that down. Can you check that up to us?
John said, look, he gets it with his knee buckles.
How does it?
Yeah, it's a common fault there, isn't it?
I think you're all just really old.
We are.
Have I got a hole hold that as well?
If you can, if not, I can.
You struggled on your own to hold that and
Oh, I would, wouldn't I?
do
Yeah.
the G clamp as well.
Is that got it?
Soon know. Falls off. Bit awkward to get it lined up, right, isn't it?
Rightio.
Happy days?
Happy days.
So you want to bolt just this one on?
Yeah, and drill the 2 holes.
Do the other holes. Yeah. Well, I'll hold it if you want to undo that then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You've got a bolt. That's level.
Yeah.
Yeah, but on the side.
Well, that's going to be.
Slightly off. That's an ollie level.
Yeah.
Sorry, Ollie, but from now on, I think I'm going to call slightly off level an ollie level. Good bit of kit, that mag drill.
It is, isn't it? If I've drilled it right, it should
Yeah, it should, in theory,
line up.
line up. It won't pivot though, will it?
No. You see? Got a nut there if you want.
Yeah.
Is that bolt long enough?
I think it is, you know, yeah. Well, this is going to work, Ray. They can put their bit of kit on there.
But yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Hasn't taken too long to do this one. Now that makes sense, bolting at the top as well, right?
Yeah.
It's going to be...
No chance for this like that.
No, it's going to be strong enough.
Is it array level?
That's bang on, yeah. Yeah. Let us down now.
You're about sorted.
You took a photo?
Oh no.
Yeah.